Hi friends, welcome to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are going to see a new project near Bongiri. So we need to take the Warangal highway to get into this location. So we will be going to Bongiri town via Warangal highway. So let us see how this project is. So this place is just before Yadagiri Gutta, very close to Yadagiri Gutta I can say. So this project is near to Bongiri I can say, and beside Bongiri we have our project in Hillview. So today we are going to Hillview place to see the project. So everybody is very much aware of Bongiri and Yadagiri Gutta temples. So this is very much close to these two places, and this is an HMDA approved project, and bank loan is also available. And from Warangal this is from Warangal this is 93 kilometers away and very close to Bongiri Fort. So all these pics have been taken from Warangal highway. So it's quite beautiful, and this is just before the Vivera Hotel. So I guess Vivera Hotel is one of the famous hotels on the highways. So this is just before that, and so this is the entrance. It's very beautifully constructed. Seems to be very pleasant. Well, plantation has been done. So this is how it looks. This is the entrance. All the plantation on both the sides. Well planned, and this is also very close to Regional Ring Road, and this is very close to proposed Central School, and this is also close to CCMV. We can just reach in 10 minutes to CCMV, and Bongiri railway station is just 3 minutes from this place, and the district collectorate and other 12 government offices are just 5 minutes drive from this place. You can just have a look at this project. The work is going on. This is how it looks. So this is the project, and this is also very close to NIMS hospital. Infosys office can be reached in 25 minutes from this project, and it's only 40 minutes to Uppal. So from Uppal to this place we can just reach in 40 minutes. So this is exactly opposite to Vivera Hotel I can say, this project, and the bus stand and railway station you can reach in just 4 minutes, and just 5 minutes drive to the temple, Yadagiri temple. And the size of the plot here is 267 square yards. So we have the plot sizes from 267 square yards onwards, and we have good vastus with spot registrations, and it's a YTDA approved, and it's an HMDA approved project, and we have YTDA ring road close to Temple Town in 400 acres, and this Temple Town has got Temple Township, so this YTDA ring road is very close to Temple Township, which is in 1400 acres, and we have got shopping complexes, restaurants, Kalyana Mandapam, and cottages, many more here. So this is very close to this Temple Township on Mallapur Road. So, and we have also got Mission Bhagiratha and ITI colleges very close to this place. So also very close to proposed MMTS. So this is the whole view. The surroundings of this project looks like this. We can see so many houses also. So friends, hope you have enjoyed today's project, which is near Bongiri. Thank you so much for your patience. You can call us on the below given number for more details. Please do like, share and subscribe to our videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.